Welcome back to the channel. It's your host Rob with shopebikes.com. Today I'm joined with Magnum's Navigator X. This is a very sweet cruising style bike, but it can handle a whole bunch of trails. We're gonna take this down the trail and get a first hands-on feel for it. This bike is designed for any type of rider. That's why they give you the step-through design. Doesn't matter if you have knee problems or if you just have a hard time getting up and over something, this is gonna be a great option for anybody. Doesn't matter the shape or the size. The Navigator comes with the Sully Royal Brown freeway seat. It's a very good feel, very squishy. I like the look of it. It matches your Sully Royal Brown handles. These are also a very good feel. To the left of the display is where you're gonna find your controller. You've got your positive, your negative. This is gonna go up in pedal assist. This is gonna go down in pedal assist. You can set your time using this button, and then this is your on switch. On the right side of the cockpit, you can upshift, downshift. This is your thumb throttle. I like how the gears are laid out too. Kind of a classy look. And of course you have that bell. At the back of the bike, you do have a cargo utility rack. It does come with the triple bungee system, and this thing can hold up to 55 pounds. I love the way that Magnum does all of their cargo racks. The tail light is an integrated light that's always going to activate when you hit your brakes. You also have an integrated front headlight. On the left side of the fork, you have an adjustable preload, so you can adjust this depending on your rider weight. And then on the right side, you have a lockout switch. So if you want your bike to be super sturdy, you move it all the way right. Perfect for concrete riding. But if you want a bouncier ride or more turbulent concrete, then you can get that bounce. And then at the back of the bike, you have a rear geared DOS Kit 4 motor. This is a 500 watt motor and is paired with a Shimano 8-speed gear system. And with pedal assist modes activated, you can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour. And then of course the heart of this beast is gonna be this 48 volt battery. This is gonna give you between 25 to 50 miles of range. And now I think it's time for us to test this thing out. All right, to turn on the Navigator X, we're gonna hit this button right here. You're gonna see your battery lights indicate, and then we're gonna hit the on switch. And you can see it's activated. On the screen below, you can see your battery life, your pedal assist mode, your speed, your odometer, your time, and this is also going to be where the power is coming out of your battery. So let's go. So like I told you guys, this thing has 6 different pedal assist modes. We're on pedal assist level 1 right now, and you can kind of feel that rear hubbed gear motor kick in a little bit. So right now we're going 11 miles per hour, but we can get up to 20 if we just hold this thumb throttle. Quickly made it up to 20. So when you're using the thumb throttle, you can only get up to 20 miles per hour. So let's play with these pedal assist modes. Let's get this up to pedal assist level 2. I would say you could feel the motor kick in about double. Let's go to pedal assist level 3. A little bit more. We're at 14 miles per hour. I'm not changing the way I'm pedaling. Pedal assist level 4. We're at 15 miles per hour. Pedal assist level 5. We're going pretty fast. Pedal assist level 6. Oh, we are cooking. Just got up to 24. And now we're back at pedal assist level 0. So the bike does nothing for you when you're at pedal assist level 0. So right out the gate, this bike handles very well. It's very comfortable. I think this might be my favorite Magnum bike. So now we're gonna push this thing to the limit. We're gonna get it on pedal assist level. We're gonna get it on pedal assist level 6. And we're gonna cook it. easily got up to 25 miles per hour. So Magnum's Navigator X is probably my favorite Magnum electric bike, actually. And that's because it's a combination of everything that we've already covered. It's got that nice step-through design, which is reminiscent of the Pathfinder. And then you've got these nice, silly royal brown seats and the handles, which is reminiscent of the Cruiser. It's got the same type of battery as the Nomad and the Scout, but I think my favorite thing about the Navigator X is definitely its weight. It's so easy to pick up. You want this bike. You want to buy this bike, so just buy this bike. Go to www.shopebikes.com and buy this bike. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions about Magnum's Navigator X, leave me a comment in the YouTube page or send us an email at www.shopebikes.com. Check back next week for some more electric bike content and have a great day. Bye.